Introducing the MTRJ fiber optic connector, your go-to for high-density networking solutions. This compact, dual-fiber connector is perfect for data centers and enterprise networks, where saving space and boosting performance are key. Unlike traditional connectors, the MTRJ features a small form factor, combining two fibers in one easy-to-use plug. It's designed for quick installations and precise connections, helping you minimize downtime and maximize efficiency. Whether you're working with fast Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet, or high-speed fiber channels, the MTRJ is your reliable, cost-effective choice. Small in size, but big in performance, it's perfect for handling today's bandwidth demands. Upgrade your network with the MTRJ fiber optic connector, compact, efficient, and built for the future.